Practice test number 4, page 597, number 10. I did this before, but the quality wasn't very good, so I'm doing it over again. They tell you the cotangent's 2/3, and that the sign is bigger than 0 means sign's positive, which means it's in the first or second quadrant. But I don't like using cotangent, so I switched it to tangent by flipping it, so 2/3 became 3/2, because these are inverses to each other. And they want you to find sine of 2 theta, cosine of 2 theta, and tangent of 2 theta. Do all the double angles. So look in your formula. The first one's the easy one. Sine of 2 theta is 2 sine of theta cosine theta. Well, we don't know either one of sine or cosine, but we know the tangent, which is opposite over adjacent, so that's 3/2. And we don't know the hypotenuse, but you can find it by 3 squared is 9, 4 adds up to 13, it's root 13. So now we can say the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, 3/√13, and the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, 2/13. So you have 2 times this, that's 2 times 3 times 2 is 12. Root 13 times root 13 is just 13. That's your first answer. There are about 3 different formulas for cosine of 2 theta. I just took the top one, which is cosine squared minus sine squared. So the cosine squared would be, this is cosine, so it would be 4/13, minus sine squared, that would be 9, and that would be 13, 9/13. 4/13 minus 9/13 is -5/13. And tangent, it's a little bit more confusing. It's 2 times, we're doing the double angles, 2 times a plane theta minus 1 tangent squared theta. So the tangent's 3/2, and you double it, 2 tangent, so double that tangent, and then 1 minus tangent squared. When you square 3/2, you get 9/4. And this whole thing reduces to -12/5. So that's your third answer. So if you have another copy of number 4, it looked a little bad. I think the paper got wrinkled or something. Okay.